mom, she's genuinely my inspiration. I watched her from, like, we was having a hard time, and I was right there, hand in foot, helping with the business.
We did that. We watched her from the ground up. We watched her make her dreams come true.
Yeah, we watched that. I said, that man was driving me over red cut. And I tell you right now, I was afraid, and really scared, so nobody was pulling school,
it was embarrassing.
Little car.
She means the world.
Yeah, Kiara used to make Mama drop her off around the corner. Mama used to feel bad, but I tell you right now, Mama, she could pull up in front of school, and I told her I didn't care, because hard times together, we make it to the top together, and she said, I'm gonna get a car. She said, oh, I'm getting a new car. Let me tell you right now, within 6 months, Mama got a new car. Okay, she said, oh, we can move out of here. 6 months, we moved out. Like, it took time or whatever, but whatever she did, exactly what she said she was gonna do. Okay, now she's gonna grow this business from the bottom up, and she is doing just that. Okay. I got tired of her wearing them dusty wigs. She get them wigs done faithfully, honey. She get them nails done faithfully. She care about her appearance.
She taking all the words from me.
Oh, Kylan.
She taking everything that I was about to say. She talking too much, bro.
Come on, Kylan, you can talk.
Give me the watch, because it's like, how can I explain it?
We remember when she was doing shows with her tights and tank tops and stuff, and she had a hard life, okay? And we know she had a hard life.
We all had a hard life. We just glad to be here. I'm happy to see that she went through what she wanted to do, and it all turned out good in the end for her.
Okay, so I was telling her earlier that I said, I'm gonna come over and I want to meet y'all, Okay. So I'm here.
This is my first time meeting everybody.
So I was over there telling the people over there at the table, I said, Ms. Johnson, I said, she give out so much information, she might be giving out too much.
No, you can never give away too much information.
Yeah.
You never could. It's a lot of valuable information that we give away, but the thing is, 9 times out of 10, the mass is not even going to follow it. They don't have the drive, they don't have the tenacity to really do it. It's just like, I always like to I like to compare it with losing weight. Like, we all know what you may have to do to lose weight.
Right.
But it's a mental thing, it's a mind thing. Like, can you really get up 5 o'clock in the morning and do the workout? Can you really not eat fried chicken? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Really not do these things, and that's what a really hard part comes in.
Yeah, that's a hard part for me right now because I'm supposed to be a vegan today.
See what I'm saying?
I'm not today.
I was a vegan for like 10 days.
Good morning, my name is Saeed, Choices Cleaning Company coming out of New York City. I just started 2 years ago, but been in the business for 15 years doing janitorial service. How would you tell me to go about subcontracting?
So for you to receive contracts or to sub somebody else?
No, for me to get contracts.
Okay.
Subcontract from people.
Yeah, so a couple things I would do. First send me your information. Right? That's the first thing, right?
I did.
There is a couple other groups. I think there's one called Janitorial Subcontracting Network that's Ed and John's. Yeah. So there's Facebook groups out there. That's all they do, right? Is subcontract work. There's another kid, Jerome. I don't know if you met Jerome. He owns Clean Work, another place where what he does is he ciphers through all the government bids and he presents them to you guys, to us as vendors, to go ahead and bid on them as subcontractors. What else? Citywide, yeah. There is companies that you can, think of the larger companies in your area and just shoot them an email, say, hey, I'm trying to grow my business. They'll reach back out because again, they're always looking for subs. But I would just tell you, make sure you have you know, and maybe this is something we can work on, AJ, too, is vet that before they're vetting you, you should vet them too. Like, you know, when do you pay? How often do you pay? You know, just how do you work as a prime contractor? Can I ask you a question? Can I reach out to you? Can I call you?
Apps or ideas do you think we should kind of focus on implementing so that we can get ourselves out of working in the business or working on the business?
Going with automation, I like an app called Slack. I like that. That's my communication app. I can communicate with all of my teams through that. I run 3 businesses through that one app, and we all just communicate and you set up channels and you can direct message them and all type of stuff. So that's great. Another app that I was set up for. Was Asana. I use that to task mass. We like to set up tasks and hand out to the team through Asana so that we can keep everybody aligned. Another thing is holding meetings. Like one of the things I think that we overlook is meetings. Like when I first started my business, we're so busy cleaning that we forget to hold the meetings. Like to actually systemize, we need meetings. Meetings are something that we must have on a weekly, I would say weekly meetings. And it helps with the systemizing, whatever the word I'm trying to look for. It helps with that because you want everybody on the same line.
Training your employees, did you do like, have them like shadow you for a month or was it like a couple of weeks? Like how did you go about doing that?
Okay, so when I had employees, because I have contractors now, and you're not supposed to train a contractor, they're supposed to already know how to clean, you know. The most you would do is show them the setup and how you set an Airbnb up. But if you're a contractor, you already got the supplies, you already been cleaned before, you know how to clean an Airbnb. We just got to show you the setup. So, but for contractors or employees, because it can work either way, I would advise you to make some training videos. That's what helped me. I used a program called Trainual, and I made some training videos. Every time I would go out to clean units with my kids, because I started cleaning units with my kids first, every time I would go out there, I would do videos. How to clean a stove properly, how we make this bed, how to put a duvet. And I didn't, pay for the course, and I was able to grow my cleaning business. I grew my business to almost $500,000 last year in revenue. And when I first started watching him, I was a janitor. I was cleaning buildings. I was making $8 an hour watching his videos. I remember it like it was yesterday. And he sowed a seed in a little black girl in the projects. So because of that, I knew he was gonna do this, so I said, I'm gonna do something for him, okay? So I wanna present you with this check. It's a $1,000 check, well, even though I feel like you're worth way more than that, Mr. Birthday Boy, okay? And this is my thank you to you.